Hello from the Dominican
Republic.
Welcome to
Youth Mission
Trip Vlog. So this week we are building two houses. We have the Catch the Fire Raleigh youth team building a house just here, and then we have a Catch the Fire Toronto team building a house just here. So by the end of this week, two families are going to have two brand new homes. Water break. Welcome to day one on the job site. This is the house that we're building. This is the owner.
Hola!
Are you excited?
Woo! Happy!
So here we're tying the rebar. Okay, so we are currently on day two of the house build. Hope, what are we doing today?
Well, we're going to be making the top part of the frame part. So we're going to be mixing like concrete and stuff and filling the beams of the structure of the house today.
Amazing! Okay, over here we have the Toronto team. Tell me, what are you up to today?
We are making mekla.
Mekla?
The cement between the bricks.
Yeah, how are you all feeling? Ready to go? Coconut time! We have a roof on our house. So we are now on day three of our building. Isabella, what are we doing today?
We are smoothing the walls with cement. We're going to do some mixing and passing buckets, and then we're going to plaster it all on the walls. And the roof is already done, so we're almost there.
Woo! We are here in one of the family's homes, and what are we going to be doing, Hannah?
We're going to be making a Dominican meal.
And what are we going to be making?
Lockfield.
Which is?
Chicken and rice.
All the ingredients. You excited? Yeah! So what do you think of the Dominican meal you cooked?
Delicious. Good job, everyone.
So we just finished cooking with a lovely family. We got to learn how to cook a Dominican meal. Hannah, what did you think of the experience?
It was really fun.
I helped a little, and the food was delicious.
So today is day 4 on the job site. Isaac, what are we doing today?
We're mixing mekla and bucket lines and then putting it on the floors and making it smooth. So flooring, you know, that stuff.
Great. Here is our house. The back floor's already been done. Got the rest to do. Here's our giant necklace pile. How's it going? Very hot.
Final day of the house build. Kanan, what are we up to today?
Today we're gonna be like sanding the walls of the house and painting it, and some people have kitchen counters today.
Exciting! You looking forward to the last day?
Yes.
Good. This is the house. Nearly done.